here's the truth. You don't need a lot to start your freelance writing business. At the bare minimum, you need a laptop, a place to work, possibly a desk, decent Wi-Fi, and a supply of coffee, tea, water, and occasional sunlight, and you're good to go. But there are some key things that you should consider before tax time comes around and you're looking like, what in the world is happening? What's going on? This is Michelle Farley, MichelleFarleyWrites.com, and this is Copywriting TV. Each week I'll bring to you tips, tricks, and hacks all about the fine art of copywriting and how you can build, grow, and sustain your copywriting business. Today we're talking about the 5 mistakes freelance writers make when it comes to taxes. And y'all, it's not pretty. You ready to get started? Let's go. So here's the truth. You don't need a lot to start your freelance writing business. At the bare minimum, you need a laptop, a place to work, possibly a desk, decent Wi-Fi, and a supply of coffee, tea, water, and occasional sunlight, and you're good to go. But there are some key things that you should consider before tax time comes around and you're looking like, what in the world is happening? The first thing you need to do is split your accounts from your regular accounts. So if it's going to a credit union, if it's opening up a business account within your current bank, that's fine too. If you don't have an established LLC, that's okay too. And we probably should talk more about LLC. So if you'd like to have a video specifically about creating an LLC for your copywriting business, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. All right, so let's get back to the video. Second thing is freelance writers typically don't focus on their quarterlies. And this goes back to my first one about having a separate account. You're putting 15% away from each project so that quarterly you're able to make this payment without an issue, right? As soon as you're paid and you put that 15% in your account, you don't have to worry about it. It's like it never existed. So when the quarterlies pop up and that payment is due, there's no worries because you're already set. I want to emphasize that self-employment taxes do grow quickly, so it's really important that you set that money to the side. Now, you don't have to, and you could possibly wait until the end of the year, but why put that stress on yourself? Why? Number 3, calculate your losses, all right? We talk about profit and loss analysis. If you're not great with bookkeeping, this is a great time to have some type of software that will do that for you. I also want to mention here that you're not paying taxes on your gross revenue amount, you're paying taxes on your income amount. If you're paying taxes on your gross income amount, that's not good. You're paying way too much. All right, so number 4, check your deductions, okay? Keep a record of your deductions. Again, if you're not really great at keeping records like this, I would really suggest that you find a software that meets your needs and budget that can track all those things for you. So if you are meeting a potential client at a coffee shop and you were in your vehicle and you drove there, then that's the mileage. That is, if you were talking business, then that whole, and you pay for their coffee, all of that is a deduction. So again, you have to keep really great records because what you don't want to do is end up paying more in taxes when you shouldn't have to. Number 5 is get help. If you're not great with keeping your own records, if you don't want to do your own taxes, I would strongly suggest that you find an accountant that can meet your needs, that does great work and that you still can afford them. Now, if you're just a small one-person, one-woman, one-man band, then you can definitely find an accountant who's going to work with your needs, okay? So their fee is not going to be as astronomical as someone who has like 10, 20, 50 different, 50 employees. So there's definitely someone who's going to be able to help you break down your tax bill and tell you what you're going to need quarterly, and just probably give you some other tips on how you can get the best out of your business. And that's it. 5 quick tips of how you can avoid tax time trouble as a freelancer. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so right now. And click on the bell so you can be notified when a new video drops. All right, until the next time I see you guys, I wish you peace and blessings. This is your girl, Michelle Farley. This is Copywriting TV, and we'll talk real soon. Bye.